Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to look at Form 1 Mathematics under the application of the least common multiple. And the question reads, 3 athletes, Korir, Chebet and Karoki, start the race around a circular field. They take 90 seconds, 120 seconds and 150 seconds respectively to complete a round. Find the time they will be at the same point if they start the race at 7:15 a.m. To find the time they will be at the same point, we get the LCM of 90, 120 and 150 seconds. And to get the LCM, we use a table. We have 90, we have 120, and then we have 150. So to get the LCM here, we begin with the smallest factor, which is 2. So 2 goes to 90 45 times, 2 goes to 120 60 times, then 2 goes to 150 75 times. 2 again goes to 60, it does not go to 45, it goes to 60 30 times, it does not go to 75, so we bring 75 down. Again we take 2 does not divide 45, so we bring it down. 2 divides 30 15 times, it does not divide 75, so we bring 75 down. Next we go now to 3 because 2 cannot. 3 divides 45 15 times, it divides 15 5 times, it divides 75 25 times. Next we take 3 divides 15 5 times, it does not divide 5, it does not divide 25. Next now we take 5 divides 5 once, it divides these 5 once, divides 25 5 times. And lastly we take 5, this is 1 then 5 goes to 5 once. And now the LCM of these numbers will be equal to the product of the factors, which is 2. 2 appears 3 times, so it can be written as 2 power 3 times 3 appears 2 times, so it can be written as 2 power 2 times 5 appears 2 times, so it can be written as 5 squared. So 2 power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. We multiply by 3 squared, which is 9, times 5 squared, which is 25. And this one, and this gives us, if you take 8 times 9, so if you take 8 times 9 times 25, this one will give us 1800, and these are seconds. So we take the 1800, we divide by 60 to change them into minutes, and if you take 1800 you divide by 60, this one will give us 30 minutes. So to get the time they will be at the same point, you take the time they started the race, which is 7:15, you add, that is 7:15 a.m., you add 30 minutes, and if you add 30 minutes to 15, that will give us 45, and therefore this will be 7:45 a.m., and that is the answer to this particular question. Thank you for watching and welcome, and in case you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel. Let us do another question, that is question number 2. And question number 2 reads, a number x is such that when it is divided by 27, 30 and 45, the remainder is always 5. Find the smallest value of x. So to find the value of x, let us look at the working. To find the value of x, we find the LCM of 27, 30 and 45 first before we look at the remainder. And as always, for us to get the LCM, let us use a table. We have 27 here, we have 30, we also have 45. So we take 2 does not divide 27, so we bring 27 down. 2 divides 30 15 times, it does not divide 45, so we bring 45 down. We don't take 2 because 2 cannot divide any of these numbers, so we go to 3. 3 divides 27 9 times, it divides 15 5 times, it divides 45 15 times. Again we take 3. 3 divides 9 3 times, it does not divide 5, it divides 15 5 times. Once again we take 3. 3 divides 3 once, it does not divide 5, it does not divide 5. So we take 5. This is 1 1 1. So the LCM in this case, the LCM will be equal to the product of all these factors, which is 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5, and this one is going to give us, if you take 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5, it will give us 270. This is 270. Now to get the value of x, you take the LCM, which is 270, you add the remainder, and this one is going to give us 275, and that is the answer to question number 2. That is the answer to question number 2. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also in case you have questions, you can interact with us in the comment section. Thank you for watching and welcome.